Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing some problems on square and square root topic. Here we are discussing today the find the least number to be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So here are two numbers 825 and 4000. These are not the perfect squares, but we are supposed to find out a number lesser than this, which is a perfect square. That is why we will try to find out a number which is to be subtracted from this. Okay, so we proceed ahead. Whenever you are asked such problem where what should be subtracted or added, okay, from a particular number to get a perfect square, okay, it may be less or it may be more. In both the cases you have to carry the same procedure to find the square root of that number with a division method, long division method or successive division method. So we are given 825. Okay, so 825, then this horizontal and vertical mark, and then mark the bar as 25 and 8 from right to left. Now check for the number whose square is less than 8. Okay, so we write both the numbers. These are very easy because these are from 1 to 9 only. So 2 square, the by heart is 1 to 9 square, so it will be very easy for any problem. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So 2 square is less than 8, less than 3 square. Okay, so we take 2. Okay, see, this is the second step of the method. So 2 to the 4, subtract it to get 4. Okay, and bring the whole block down 25. Now another step, multiply this number by 2, any number by 2. Now it is 2 only, so 2 into 2 4. You have to multiply, and then see this 4 1 into 1. Okay, see, this is very important step. Now 4 2 into 2, keep the 4 as it is, multiplied value is as it is, and increase this digit 42 into 2. What is the multiplication? 84. 43 into 3. Every time go on increasing the digit and multiply by the same digit. Okay, so you will cross a number by 1 and multiply by that number. Okay, by the tens digit. So 44 into 4, that is 6, carry 1, and 70 70 176. Okay, so 45 into 5. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25, and 225, let us see, is 225. Okay, 46 into 6. Okay, so see, once you understand it, this is very simple. That is 46 into 6. Don't make mistake in multiplication, that is very important. Okay, so 6 into 6 is carry 3 is 27, 276. 47 into 7 is 9, no, 49 to 9, carry 4, and this is I think 32. It is 32, 329. Okay, 48 into 8, you have to cross that number. Okay, or see which is lesser, 8 into 8 is 8 8 the 4, carry 6, it is 32 and 6, 38, 384. Okay, this is very near now. Now 49 into 9, see how it is going simple. It is very easy now. 9 to 9 is 1. Carry 8, 81. So it is 99 is 44. 36 plus 8 is 44. 441. So there is crossing. Is more than or greater than 441. So we take this number 384. Because this is lesser than 425. See, you take the lesser number now. Okay. See the difference. There is a method you have to take the higher number. Now here the lesser number. So take there 4 8 into 8 is 384. Okay. If you have enough practice, then you need not start from 1. Make a practice so that you will start from somewhere between 5 and 6, like that. Okay. For that you should have enough practice, because in exam you will not lose time, you will gain some time. Okay, for the same problem, if you have enough practice. Okay, now your answer is 41, so we have to subtract this 41. And what is asked, what number you have to subtract from 825. Okay, when it is positive you have to subtract it. Okay, so you have to see that it is getting a positive answer, you are getting a positive answer. Okay, so subtract this 41 from the original number 825, and the number you will get, the resultant number, will be a perfect square. Okay, that is each in this, or that is the idea behind this by finding this very nice method. 825 minus 41 is 4 and 784. Okay, so 784, so you have to answer twice, that is two answers. Which number you have to subtract is 41, and the square root of that, that is 28. See, you are already getting it 28 here. Okay, so 41 was extra in that 840 825, so you have to subtract and find this number. Okay, so that is very easy now. If you make a practice, then you need not remember the steps and by heart the steps. In fact, you should never by heart the steps. You should always go practice and take this many problems, and becomes very easy. Okay, so now the number given is 4000, and we have to find out which number, minimum number, should be subtracted from this 4000 to get a perfect square. Okay, very intelligent question and very intelligent method to find it out. Okay, so we need to proceed in the similar manner as we try to find out the square root of any number by division method. Okay, so we go in that way. Write, this is division method, then write 4000, and the vertical and horizontal lines as shown. This is a common practice, and then mark the pairs from right to left, and right hand side is 0 0 and 40. Okay, and now it is a important step that you have to find out which square number lies just below 40. Okay, it is very easy as it lies between 1 to 9 squares. Okay, till 81. So 6 square is 36. Okay, you don't have to think much about on this. 7 square is 49. So you can see 6 square is less than 40, which is less than 49, or 7 square. Okay, we need that number which is very near to this digital number 40 in this case. Okay, so you take 6 into 6 is 36. See how it goes. Have some practice, you will find it very easy. Okay, then subtract it, you get 4. Okay, and after getting this 4, transfer the whole block 0 0 down. Now this 6 multiply any digit if it is there by 2. Okay, 6 into 2 is 12. So see on right hand side, 12 I have written, 12 1 into 1, that is 121 into 1 is 121. Next digit 122 into 2, so you have to always go on increasing one digit and multiply by the same digit after 12. Okay, why 12? Because 6 into 2 is 12, the first digit. 122 into 2, 244. 123 into 3, okay, 123 into 3, that will be 9, and then 6, 369, it is 369. Okay, 124 into 4, see, that is how you have to go in this method. It's called successive division method. Okay, so you are getting 6, carry 1, then 9 and 496. So you are casting 400. Okay, so we are taking 369. See this number. Okay, see, I have marked it by a red arrow. Why we are taking that? Because that is lesser than 400 and next number is 496. That is why we are taking 369. Okay, so we will write 123 and 3. See now the actual problem. 1 2 I have already done 3 and 63, it will become 3 is 369. Okay, now carry out the subtraction, that will be 31. Okay, 1 and 3, and remember it is plus 31. The moment it is plus 31, you have to subtract it. Okay, so remember, when you have to try to find out the number which is to be subtracted, you should always get plus. That is very important. Okay, if we remainder is positive, that is in this case it is plus 31, then you need to subtract 31 from 4000 to get a perfect square. Okay, very nice method, very intelligent method. Who have found it is very intelligent person. Okay, so you have to subtract this 31 from 4000 in order to get a perfect square number. Okay, that we have some square root. We will see, we have also found out the square root also. Okay, so original number is 4000. We get what we get. I am going very slow, deliberately going very slow, because everybody should understand. Okay, even one who has practiced enough will see this is very slow, and that is very nice. 3969. Okay, so after subtracting 31 we get 3969. This, so answer is, we are supposed to ask two questions. What number should be subtracted is 31, and the resultant number or the number which is formed is a square of or square root of that number will be 63. See now, so first question we have answered is 31, and that is a perfect square, so it will have a perfect square root of 63. See, and where is the 63? 63 is a, see, it is here. We have already found it out. I told you this is 63. Okay, so that answer is a square root of a number which is found after subtracting 31. Okay, see now the final answer, square root is 63. Okay, fine. Try solving some more problems on your own. Still, if you face any difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. Thank you and good luck.